Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about AMP token. What's the price changes occur in the AMP coin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Guys, the currently live price of the AMP coin in the market is 0.060348 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the AMP. Other side, if we talk about the changes occur in the AMP, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day changes is a negative, and only the last 1 week changes occur in the AMP is positive 0.73% the price increase in the last. Other side, if we talk about the changes is positive. You know what guys, from yesterday the price falls down and still you can see the price falling down. But guys, that's not me. Then you decide to sell, just hold to the last of August. I recommend for all of you. Just hold to the last of August. That will give you a huge profit, not loss. Because you can see here, if you look the previous moves, as I show you that the last 1 week changes is positive, only and only the yesterday changes is negative, and that is the yesterday price chart. So guys, I know MP falls down. You can see, just look here, but they also take a quick jump like that. It just falls down and this time taking a quick jump. So this is a really profitable point for all of you. Personally, the price of AMP coin is very low, so that's why I recommend for all of you to invest now in AMP coin. And what you think about AMP? How do you feel today about AMP? Also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.